Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. So today the weather seems to be a bit cloudy, but I decided to visit a very beautiful country house. It's called Dyrham Park and House. Look at the lush green trees, so refreshing. Then I started to walk towards the house. It's a 15-minute walk, a bit steep as well, but the views are amazing. While I was walking, I spotted these lovely deers grazing on the grass. Such a joy to watch them in their natural habitat. That's Dyrham House, a magnificent house in South Gloucestershire near Bath. I must say the outer facade is so fascinating. The entrance and the courtyard look amazing. The entrance and the exterior of the house gives you an impression of a very grand house, full of charms and character. Oh my goodness, the courtyard garden is so stunning and peaceful. As I am a nature lover, so I could stay here for a very long time, and this is my favorite part of the house. Looks like spring has sprung here. The garden is maintained quite well. The wisteria is so beautiful, just like a cherry on the top of the cake. Such a pleasure to walk around here in a very pretty garden. Now we are walking towards the main entrance of the house. Dyrham House you see today is very much William Blackwood's creation. His life and career offer a window into the bigger themes of the late 17th century that still resonate. And it's this era that focused on if you visit the house today. William was the son of a modest London lawyer. Blackwood became a leading civil servant in the fast-changing world of the 17th century. So there were beautiful tulip displays all around the house. That's the hugely spacious Great Hall. It's the historic core of the Dyrham. Once the heart of the original Tudor house, it is all that survived from that period after Blackwood's rebuilding. A visit will give you a flavor of the late 1600s. You will see oak wainscoting, walnut paneling, and leather-hung walls. Also, the highlights of the collection include paintings, furniture, and blue and white Dutch 12th-ware ceramics. The house contains Blackwood's collection of Dutch paintings, 12 ceramics, tapestries, and furniture. Following a major project, much of the interior has been represented and revitalized to bring the house to life and better tell the stories of the late 1600s. The house is surrounded by gardens, atmospheric terraces, and extensive 270 acres of ancient parkland. Did you know that Dyrham's Park Gilt Leather Parlour and the Great Hall both recently featured in the BBC drama The Pursuit of Love? Filming for the program took place during lockdown in September 2020. Now you're looking at the tapestry bedchamber. Includes 2 tapestries that have been rehung following specialist cleaning and conservation. One includes a newly added red squirrel stitched back in after conservators noticed a gap and carried out research to find out what should have been there. Damask bedchamber is perhaps Dyrham's most opulent object. The state bed, a soaring 4-poster bed from the early 1700s with an ornately carved canopy. Actually, Dyrham Park's Dutch influence stems primarily from William Blathwood, who transformed the Tudor house into a Baroque mansion. He served as secretary at war to William of Orange and acquired numerous Dutch artworks, furniture and delftware. So here it's written, in the 17th century artists painted tables covered with food so full they sometimes seems to spill out towards the viewer. They are a feast for the eyes and a display of wealth and status. A new exhibition is also now open. The World of William Blathwood and the Birth of Modern Britain focuses on the fast-changing world of the late 17th century when the house and grounds as we know them were created. Staircase has been re-stabilized and restored recently. Walls and paneling have been made to look like high-quality wood through a highly skilled and painstaking process of regraining involving fine brushes and feathers. Wow, that looks so magnificent! The balcony room was the first room of Williams Blathwood's personal apartment, and guests were entertained with sweetened tea, coffee or drinking chocolate. That's the magnificent tapestry bedchamber, richly furnished with tapestries and dark green paneling. This bedchamber was very much for show. I must say the tapestry looks quite impressive. It gives us an idea of those times, that how they used to decorate their houses to show off their wealth and riches. The room's name is a reference to its unique characteristics or design, perhaps related to the way light is handled or the materials used in its decoration. National Trust, a charity who is now responsible for the house maintenance and restoration. So that's the kitchen of the house. It gives you an idea of those times, kitchen styles and layouts. It takes you back into old times. One can visualize their lifestyles, and it's so fascinating. Dear viewers, if you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. That's the dairy room. Between 1844 and 1846, the room was converted into the dairy. Records indicate that a plumber called John Stokes fitted a hot and cold water supply. In 1846, marble mason Reeves and Son made the windowsills, shelves, the columnar, shelf supports, and installed the fountain for the cost of only £15. Look at the beautiful tulips. A lady was painting a beautiful tulip as well. That's the second-hand bookshop. It's located in the basement of the house, accessible through the main courtyard. It's open daily and offers a variety of books. Whether you're looking to buy a gift for someone or a treat for yourself, a memento of your visit, you will find plenty of choice in the National Trust shop. The variety is endless. You will be spoiled for choice. You can also choose from a great range of seasonal stationery, fashion accessories, homeware, greeting cards, and much more. I've seen there a lot of people were browsing and buying stuff. I bought a dark chocolate as I am a chocolate lover. The shop is filled with a lot of cool stuff. If you have some spare time, please do visit here. It's so pretty and lots to see here. The soft toys are so adorable, really. The architecture is so amazing and fascinating. Visitors can get a flavor of the richly luxurious 17th century life enjoyed by founder William Blathwood by stepping into the impressive, splendid gardens of the house. I must say the gardens of the house are well maintained and the plants are in excellent condition. The garden seems to be so tranquil and relaxing. Especially in the spring season, it's such a treat to see beautiful flowers and blooms. If you like this type of content, please do consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Oh my goodness, the garden is so beautiful and relaxing. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you in the next one. Take lots of care. Bye.